Hey, welcome back guys, D-Man here. Figured I'd do a quick EDC dump. Just finished doing some grocery shopping. Man, the prices have gone up. There's the change. Got a few winners. Okay, first things first, since I have it out, the Maxpedition wallet. Again, I've been wearing this thing forever. Love it. Pocket knife. Your Jimbo 2, right? I think so. Man, this thing is sweet. Smooth. Super solid knife. Can't go wrong with that. Last night I made this little cover here for my slip joint. And let me see if I can take it out with one hand. By the way, it's cold out there. Sheesh. For the good old case slash, if I can open it, let's see if I can. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. Imperial blade with a case handle. Man, this thing is sweet. So anyways, I made this last night. Just a little test run. I think I'm gonna make a few more, but different style. So anyways, I'm carrying that. So lately I've been carrying two knives. Works out really good. I love it. And I also have my custom Zippo that I did probably 3-4 weeks ago. Pretty sweet. It's got the butane. Shout out to that, right? Speaking of that, I'm not carrying this. I just came from a yard sale. Got a little Zippo here. I think it was $1. Can't go wrong with that, right? Put that down there. And check it out. Same yard sale. Look how tiny this open L is. I seen it. I was like, yep, I want it. How much? He said $1. It swings open. It needs to be tightened. But hey, that's nothing. I can do that. So got that. It's not part of the EDC. And I'm also carrying, I got my trusty Smith & Wesson. Alright, figured I shared my EDC. Okay. And by the way, kids, don't gamble. I'm actually going to stop this. I don't know why I keep doing it. But anyways, yeah, this knife is sweet. Along with this one. Great combo. Hey, shout out to the plane flying over us. Where is it? Yep. Oh man, I just missed it. Alright, thanks for watching. You guys take care. Until the next one.